feel like I have a fish, guys. Oh, I got a... Oh, what the frig is this?
It's an island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah.
Wagwan beautiful people. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys. So today in the afternoon, yeah, we are about to go on a little fishing adventure, you see it. So me and both two of my brother-in-laws, you see it, so. And Babes and Little Island, and you see me, so. Yeah, I don't know if my brother-in-laws wanna be on camera, so you know the thing go already. Yeah man, so yeah man, stay tuned for this adventure, guys. Yeah man, we on a roll now. Let's go now. Hey guys, so this is where we at right now. Patches Beach Community Dune Care. Yeah man. Alright, so I can hear the ocean already, so we're gonna go there in a bit. You see it? Yeah man. Have baby here. Hey babe.
Oh hi.
Yeah. Oh, little Bobo. The big smile. Alright guys, so yeah man. Hopefully it'll be a good fishing day. You know, it's been really overcast, and on our way it's also been raining. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a good day to fish. Yeah man, and a little competition is on also, you know, between, not really a competition, but you know, yeah, the last time you know, my brother-in-laws, they came to fish. I think it was here they came, babe. Yeah. Was it here they came the last time to fish? Yeah. Yeah, and they didn't catch anything, guys.
Oh no, they went somewhere else.
Oh, somewhere else.
Yeah, sorry, yeah, they went somewhere
else.
else.
They didn't catch anything, so yeah, a little competition is on. So let's see who will catch something today. Let's see who will catch the most. I don't know. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, blessings.
So guys, I says to Babe, he thinks because it's a bit overcast, there's no much sun shining, but it actually is the worst here in Australia. Yeah. You get really badly burnt here if there's not sun, but it's muggy, it's hot.
Yeah, so, guys, and the last time I came fishing, trust me, I think me did I wear
you wore a marina, so
yeah. I mean, I tell them a burn. Probably you guys can't see it right now.
They can see.
And I'm telling you, I got like really, yeah, my roast. Like, let's just say that. So yeah, not because I'm black doesn't mean I don't get sunburned.
Yeah, you get sunburned here. Australia's crazy. Yeah, come closer. I think you can see it. Wait.
Really?
Yeah. Close the. No, you can't. Go back to the light. Go back to the light.
Oh, to the light.
Yeah, and then put your singlet down. Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, fully burned. So,
oh my
guys,
God.
we're not taking much chances again.
Yeah, because you can still get cancer here.
Australian sun and all, guys. Let me
tell
you
that. UV rays are strong here.
Yeah, man.
It's not terrible. Like Jamaica.
Yeah. So that's what's up. Sunscreen for your first time.
They're like clams. Penalty up to 22,000 on spot fines.
Whoa, that's serious. Wow.
You can only use them for bait.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, this place looks really beautiful to walk. We can tell that we're getting closer to the beach now. Yeah. Bobo, don't want to leave you behind. Come on, walk up. Oh, get tired already? Yeah, you burn out? Alright. Oh wow, guys, it's beautiful. Nice white sun. There's a guy down there fishing. Damn, can I really fish here though? It's very wavy. I think this guy just caught something, guys. Oh, yeah, just caught a fish. Wow. What kind of fish is that? Oh.
Wow, beautiful.
Very sweet. Yeah. Nice.
Gigi bas. Gigi. Gasha Yuyi. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Come here, man. Do what you're doing. Alright guys, so brother-in-law, I'm just forward and things, so yeah, have all the equipment, the gears and thing, and yeah, so wherever so we can catch there. Alright. Don't know what type of fish picks up here, you know.
He's done fish traps.
Now I'm doing it Jamaican style, eh?
Doing it Jamaican style. Stream, it's a turn and we turn and it's like to get in. That's catching fish.
Hey Bobo. No, it's hooks here. Alright guys, so one fishing rod out already and I'm about to throw mine, so yeah, the competition is on guys. They look fully equipped. So let's see what the island boy will go on with today. Woo, the water is cold by the way guys, just so y'all know. Woo! Ooh, ooh. That is cold. And here we go. Oh, I can see a piece of my prawn already gone, guys. Fish on! Fish on already. Let's see what's going on here. Ah, thought it was fish on. Alright guys, so I haven't felt anything, so I'm just reeling up. What the? What the hell just happened here? Guys, my weight is really too light. Yeah. I feel like the weight, it's dragging, it's coming back to shore. Going out again for the second time. Woo! Alright. So this is my rod right here guys. Brother-in-law down there. And the other one right here. Yeah guys, so fishing is, you have to have lots of patience, you know, so it's just about the waiting game. Yeah. Yeah man, because the current really strong out there guys. I had to change my weights and put on a heavier one. Yeah, so let's see if it does the trick. I'm using prawns. The guy that we saw earlier, the old guy, he was using worms, he said. So I guess that's his bait that's working for him, because saw him caught a couple more after being here for a while. So let's see which one of us gonna catch the first fish. All right. Is it for real? I don't think so. Nah, I don't think so. Not feeling it. I feel like it's the waves. I feel like it's the waves. Like someone caught something. Oh my god. They caught my line, guys. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is one crazy fishing adventure. Yeah. That's just crazy.
It's in there.
Oh. Alright. Open up. Alright guys, so I didn't caught it on camera, but my brother-in-law caught a nice flathead, they call this one.
Babe, aren't you scared to touch it? It's fine.
Nah. Yeah, so nice catch. He's already leading. Yeah man, so yeah, we're gonna see what I'm going on now, guys. Feel like I have a fish, guys. Oh, I got a... Oh, what the frig is this? Hey! Oh god, I thought I had a fish. Oh my god. Oh shit. What's going on here? I thought I had a fish, man.
I thought I caught something bigger.
Oh my god. Hey! Fish on, guys. See, like you have all the luck today. Whoa! Nice one. Yeah. Let's see what it is, guys. Yeah. Oh, it's way out there still. Oh, shoot. It's gone. Oh, man. That must have been a nice one. So me and Babe going for a quick little swim. Yeah, it's wavy. So me and Babe going for a quick little swim. Yeah, it's wavy. Wavy, wavy. Woo. Woo. Oh my god, must be cold, eh? Yeah. Oh my god. Alright. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, that was amazing. Woo! That was beautiful cool out. Wow. I like to dive under the wave. Woo! What a big one. Let's go under this one. Oh, look at this. I swear, I'm afraid of sharks. Yeah. Woo, look at this one, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god!
There you go, guys. Daddy and Island. They're going. Hey! Daddy and Island swimming. Oh, what are we gonna do? Daddy and Island swimming. Stop. Watch me throw it. Oh, how cute.
So guys, we just came to a different location now because we didn't have any luck at the spot that we were at. Only my brother-in-law caught something. So yeah, welcome to Richmond River Nature Reserve, home to many threatened species. Alright, so we're going down here, guys. That's how it looks. Beautiful. And it's also getting dark. It's after 7 now, guys, and look at how it's still bright out. In Jamaica this would be night already, dark. Alright, so this is the spot, guys. Yeah, beautiful. Have like a little, you know, mangrove kind of looking area. Some rocks over there. I'm gonna try out on the edge, right out on the edge here, guys. So first cast at this spot. Woo! It's a fish jump already. Wonder what type of fish here. Sun is wet. That's water. Alright guys, so right now it's getting really dark and I haven't caught anything yet. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. You see it. If I catch something, I'll put it on the vlog, you know, before it's over. But for now, I will say thank you guys for being here. You see it, and if you're new, subscribe. You see it. Yeah, today was a successful day for me. So big up David. He beat me with the catch. You see it. So yeah, man. But tune in for the next adventure, guys. You see me? Until next time, it's Island Boy Africa. Let's go. So right now we're actually on a ferry. Where we're fishing, guys, it's actually an island basically. You see it, so yeah, a ferry to come across. If we didn't take this ferry, we'd have to take the long journey, go all the way back that way. So this is a shortcut, just right across.
Big house is there on the water.
Yeah. So I've never been on a ferry before, guys, so this is nice. I would paid $6.50 to get across. Yeah, man. It's scary, eh? Right. Across, guys.